Hi everyone, welcome back to another soup recipe. Today I'm making a creamy potato and cabbage soup. Yes, a cabbage soup. This is beautiful. Don't knock it until you try it. I was never a cabbage fan when I was younger, but I have to say I do love it now. With this soup you could add some bacon at the end. If you've got some boiled bacon left over, chop it up and add it, or some grilled rashers chopped and added. Beautiful too. So to get started, in here I've heated a tablespoon of olive oil and 25 grams of butter. Into here I'm going to add in one small onion, and I've chopped that nice and fine. I'm adding one leek, which I've chopped finely. These are frozen and they're perfectly fine to use. I've got one garlic clove, which I've just sliced finely. And I've got 225 grams of potato. You can use Kerr Pinks, Morris Pipers, Roosters. It's good to use a nice floury potato if you can get one. So get them in there. Mix all these together. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and some pepper. Stir all together. We're going to cook these now on a medium heat for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to put a cover on them too. Just check them every so often to make sure none of your veg is sticking or anything like that. Okay, so this is ready now. And I'm going to add in my stock. You can use either vegetable stock or chicken stock. And I've got 1 litre of hot chicken stock here. Stir everything together. I'm going to bring this to a gentle simmer now, and we want the potatoes nice and tender, so that's going to take about 10 to 12 minutes. This is ready and my potatoes are nice and tender. Just check them by cutting one in half with a knife, and that's perfect. Alright, so into here I'm going to add in 250 grams of green cabbage. I've cut it up nice and thinly, so get it in there. And this is the one I use. It's an Irish green cabbage from Tesco. So get that in there. We're going to turn the heat up a bit, and we're going to cook the cabbage now until it's nice and tender. It doesn't take very long, probably about 3 to 4 minutes. You don't want to overcook it, and you want it to keep its colour as well. Leave the cover off and just keep stirring it. My soup is ready. The cabbage is nice and tender. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blitz it so it's nice and smooth. This is ready now, nice and smooth. To finish off, I'm going to add some cream, 75 ml. You could add some milk either. If you plan on freezing this, don't add the cream or milk. I would add it when you're serving it. And mix that in. If you find the soup is too thick, you can always add some extra hot water to it. Look at that, it's nice colour of green. I've never had green soup before. A nice one for St. Bridget's Day on Monday, the 1st of February, or even for St. Patrick's Day on the 17th of March. Time for the taste test. That really is delicious. Absolutely beautiful. Do give it a try. I wouldn't recommend this soup if I didn't think it was a nice one. I'm quite fussy when it comes to soup, and this is beautiful. Add some grilled rasher to it. Just cut it up, maybe 2 or 3 streaky rashers, or if you've got some leftover boiled ham, or if you've got some baked ham like you'd make at Christmas, cut some of that up and add it in and just heat it through before you serve it. This would go perfect with some nice Irish brown bread, soda bread. It's a meal in itself. Try it out and I know you're all going to love it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and I really hope you enjoy this creamy potato and cabbage soup.